Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and I wanted to stop by with a quick announcement. Starting tomorrow and every Sunday in November, I will be sharing with you a project for the Crafty Christmas collab hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. The purpose of this collaboration was to use paper pads that we already have in the Christmas theme and create all month using it. The point isn't to kill a pad or use it all up, it's just to get it out and use some of it. For my projects, I will be using the Cranberry Christmas Hot Buy pad. This is at least a year old. It might be older, I'm not sure. And I actually found out I have not used even one piece in it, so it is time to get it out and use it. In the description box below, I have went ahead and linked up all of the awesome collaborators that are going to be joining in this month. I hope you'll go ahead, take some time today, get subscribed to the channels that you aren't already subscribed to, so you're all ready for our projects tomorrow. Until my next video, where I can't wait to share with you what I'm going to make first, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.